My name is Randy. My name is Irfandi. For those who does not know my name, the book that I like. I've been loving reading books since I was in junior high school. Elementary school, and I like reading some heavy stuff like philosophy and all. Yeah, philosophy and all. But I forgot the name. But then at some point I feel like this is useless. Yeah, because there are some incident like some people tell me that you know, I have been reading a lot of this book and then I cannot find this is useful for me. It's just messing your mind, things like that. So then I try to contemplate and I think yes, it's like wasting time because when you read book, the nature of writer, they like to write long things. Yeah. To make their books, you know, thick, right? So I don't think it's good for us. It's good for him because when the book get thick, it's get profit. Yeah, they get more profit, right? But not for us. So then I like understanding. I like you know, seeing pattern. I like things like that. So what happened that then I just changed to not from text to video. So then I like watching videos like that.com, documentary movie, you know, things like that. But then when I get my scholarship to Thailand and I study there, I find out that some of people there they see that when you read books, you actually can customize the information. When you just watch the video, you cannot really whatever they said, you just accept it. But when you read books, it's like an abstract information that you can imagine and generate more information, connect it with other things, you know. You can stop whenever you want and then things like that. So then I'm starting to like books again and then I try to read more books. My interest now is reading books like Mukaddimah, for example, the book from Khaldun. Yeah, things like that. I try to read again, things like that. So that's I think that's the whole story. I mean, from the first I like reading books and then I changed. And
do you have any particular book that you like?
Along the way, since the beginning, I think I like. I have finished one novel. Yeah. Huh?
You're also writing.
Huh? Apa ya namanya? Aku buat. Habibur Rahman itu ya. Hah?
Ayat cinta bukan?
Ayat cinta ya. At the time I just quit my job and I don't have things to do. I get so depressed and so boring, and then I see a lot of my family members they read this book. I think, what is this? I give it a try and I see what is this quite interesting book. So I finish it. That's I think the only novel that I finished.
Be careful ya, to wives.
Oh.